What if I told you there's a better way to do crowns? Here at Wahroonga Family Dental Centre, we've invested in the latest digital technologies so that crowns are a breeze. After your tooth is trimmed for your crown, the biggest difference you're going to notice is there is no more goop in your mouth. Instead of taking a mold, what we do is we take a 3D scan from which we can design your crown. The next difference is, instead of outsourcing your crown to a lab, we make it right here at the practice straight away, so you don't have to wait 2 weeks for your crown. Our CEREC system allows us to design, mill and produce a crown in under an hour. While you're waiting, feel free to watch TV, read a book or play some games in the waiting room. Once your crown is ready, we'll cement it in. And that's it. Your crown's complete in under 2 hours and you'll walk out of here smiling, knowing that you don't have to come back for a second appointment. Easy. If you're a busy person and multiple dental appointments are a hassle, then CEREC treatment for a crown might be the thing for you.